Uh-oh. Quick, we need peanut butter. Stat! Well, that's another way to get gum out of her hair. It's okay. Bald is beautiful. And think of what you'll save on shampoo. Of course, we can always experiment with a little transplant. Now you can have fun styling her up all over again. And she's just so sweet. Strawberry flavored. Look, a plastic box. And more importantly, some delicious chocolate. Guess this kind doesn't just melt in your mouth. That's okay. We're making handprints. With a few touches, it can be whatever you want. It's not a hand turkey, but it's still going in the oven.
Wow!
Oh, it's a cute little dog. One of the Greyhound mixes, I think. And we know the perfect place to put it. Because sometimes your pup just wants to feel fancy. You know, some people like to stay inside the lines. Or at least the paper. I mean, the bananas are watching. Maybe it's time for a lesson in good hygiene. And maybe it's time for a cool new craft, too. Make an alginate mold of your favorite toy. Just pour in some liquid soap. Let it dry, and you've got a brand new bar of soap. This'll give you a hand for those hard-to-reach places. This should really kick things into shape. Nothing like a fresh cup of water. Want to save some water for SpongeBob? Heads up, you're very close to getting a bath. Oh no! The socks! Oh, why won't someone think of the socks? Here's an idea. Take a paper cup and draw a face. Think elephant. Don't worry, the trunk will come later. Add an empty plastic bottle inside. And a straw. Told ya. Now let's add something to drink. Twist the bottle cap and let it flow. What do you prefer, soda or juice? Whether you prefer coffee or tea or milkshakes, who doesn't love making some coffee art? Oh, hey, you got a little something. Uh-oh, your ice cream! Oh, why must the delicious die young? Don't worry, we can rebuild him. Just throw in a plastic glove. And add toppings, because what's ice cream without toppings? Now stick in the freezer to get back its frosty texture. It's time for the grand unveiling! A giant ice cream hand! What you waiting for? Take a bite! I'd start with the fingers. I'm starting to wonder just where she keeps getting these scissors. You know, it's always best to start with a plan. Careful, this is how the bowl cut look started. I'm starting to see the family resemblance. Well, good luck, and don't worry. Just remember, hair grows back. Looks like it's almost time for the big reveal. So, do you like her new haircut? Ew, maybe shoes weren't the best places for holes. Good thing we've got plenty of buttons to help. And just the right size. They fit right on top, too. Careful, your dino! Don't worry, he's a big boy. As in, he's too big to flush. Dad to the rescue! All you need for a prehistoric playtime is a balloon and some colored paper cutouts. Now you've got a brand new dino friend. In fact, let's make you a whole Jurassic Park! Don't forget they can fly, too. After all, birds and dinos are practically cousins. Oh, please tell me that's chocolate. Either way, time to scrub-a-dub-dub. Hey, save some for the bananas. It's just not safe to be a sock these days. Anyway, here's a special sort of dollhouse. For starters, it's got foam instead of dolls. Just add soap, water, and a cup. Now all that's left is to pull that lever. See? I told you there'd be foam. Did I lie? Now it's time to finally clean those hands.
Wow!
Oh no! The shoe bug has returned! Maybe we should try to clean up. Good idea. Some color will liven things up. Make that a lot of colors, of course. But now it's time for the big paint job. Especially when it turns a simple t-shirt into a sketch pad. Here comes the sun. In fact, you can make a whole little world right on your shirt. Well, one of us is using that shirt backwards. Don't worry, he'll probably think he sat on a wet bench. All dressed up for bath time? Huh, aren't we fancy? Look, a bottle! Well, just the top. Don't worry, all it needs is a sock. Just add a twist on one end and drip some paint in different colors. Give it a soak. And blow up some bubbles. Who says that bubbles can't come in rainbow? In other news, I think we proved baths are cooler than showers. Looks like someone's got a green thumb. Oh no! Overwatering is no joke! Let's try to cheer up your dad. Good idea. Paper flowers won't wilt. Well, not usually. With a few twists, it's a 3D picture. Just add water and they start to move too. And the best part, it won't attract bees. Hey, keep your socks on. Good thing they didn't yank that tape off. Talk about some crazy kid crafts. Catch you next time.